that, Daddy.
So beans today head over my brother's house.
Bailey goes, Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes, Bailey. Come join the family. Nothing but vibes you'll see. Everybody's happy on this side. Yeah, we gon' vibe. Yeah, let's ride. Only love on this side. Bailey goes gang for life. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Bailey goes, Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes, Bailey goes.
Good morning everyone. So today is Tuesday, January. They even know the date. 21st. So today's preparation day. Well, we actually prepared it, but you know, today's snow day, a light snow day for us. Is it? So, what am I there though? I look about some breakfast. Oh, my man has say good morning. Do you remember? Anyways, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you watch this, good night. Yeah, back to him and say. Today is a light snow day for us, is it? We expect to get a little bit of snow later on. So, what we are doing right now, well, what we are doing right now is look about my breakfast. Ristananna is still asleep upstairs. What we're going to do today is probably just continue to edit some videos that we have and look out for the store. That's it. So that's the motive of today. Currently I have it on the TV. Some winter storm thing. You know? I keep updated on what I go on. See, I ask Alexa if there's snow. See if she will share me. Alexa, is it going to snow today?
Good morning, KEMAR. It might snow today at 5 p.m. There's a 40% chance. Also, there's a winter storm watch in effect until Wednesday, January 22nd, 7 a.m.
So you're here, 5. But by my thing it actually I said 3 o'clock. You know, normally snow they start already. Some places in Texas are well, Texas already I get it. So I might just see some flurries outside now and then. But let me tell you, outside brick. Outside fully brick. Alexa, how cold is it?
Today, expect a low of 16 degrees Fahrenheit.
You hear that? 16. That's how it. And low of 16 and it feel like probably 17, I think. Yeah man, it actually cold outside. Freezing. You feel like 19. So imagine low of 16, what it ever feel like. That drop down to probably not the single digit. But yeah, enough of me talking. I just mash up my breakfast because it get cold. Make some Milo tea and eat that, and then I go upstairs, go put Kai clothes up in the dryer, and then wait for the for a week and see what we do from there. So if we go up on the road or not. That's it. We getting back later on. That's it. And thank you for watching the video them and support the video and like the video them. Yeah. So now I do it. I will subscribe as I go up little by little, you know, like 1 and 2. Still appreciate it. So just go and support the thing, you see me? In due time now we get some fire content, you see it? But for now, just taper down because of winter season I don't have nothing to do. Out of door too cold. most places locked down. Yeah. So fingers crossed, summer gonna be better. That's it. Alright. So guys, it's currently snowing right now. It actually started now, isn't it? But wait, when I think I'll go outside, I swear. Too cold it be. I think it's possible to go outside. You see it, I'm showing you. See it? You can't see where I go and see it. See the snow come down. See it? Look good. Tell me if you can't see it on the camera because it's cold bad. I'm gonna tell you, so the temperature freezing.
Daddy!
Yes.
The snow is melting.
Tell mommy.
Mommy, you said it's melting.
Huh?
Snow.
Snowfall, my tell you, that's not. Carrie.
You love the snow? Oh God. You can't come here now?
No, you come downstairs. Come downstairs, let you do more comfortable. So you could put your hands up. You can't say snow.
I want to see snow again.
See the snow again?
Come look right here. Come look. Come look through the window right here. Look. You see it?
Pull up, you eating me.
You must see you not even pull it up. You see snow? It's coming down.
The snow is melting.
It's melting.
You have to put on clothes if you want to go to the garage.
You fix it.
I know. You want to see outside.
Okay.
Alright, peeps. So, I don't know if I see it on camera. Good. But see it there? It actually come down harder now. Show me on. There. We're getting snow again. Probably get about an inch. 1 inch of snow. Yeah. It's a good look. I care somewhere in Jamaica. I see you some next time. You see it? I already showed you. I never recorded that.
Oh.
Go achieve your pumpkin.
Well, Papa, what is happening?
It's raining.
No, it's not raining.
Snow.
It's snowing.
Or it's raining.
Let's see.
It's snow.
Is it so?
Yes, snow.
Let me see.
You want to see? Look. Chew. No, don't buck your head on the glass.
Come on, look. Carry, you know, I think you can play that this time around.
Yay! Because it's not gonna be enough.
It depends on how long it falls.
Oh.
But what I do, well, and I like what you go there.
What happened?
What's in this?
Uh-oh, is that an ant?
Yes, there's an ant.
Here's the ants. You see one ant right there, so. There's a one, those look a bit. Yes, there's an ants. You see ants? Mm-hmm.
We want to skip and then jump down and there was that.
What? You want to skip and jump in that?
Who's in that?
No, don't skip and jump right here. Come down.
Daddy, you want to set that?
Yeah, Daddy gonna get it up.
I'll get it up.
Yes, Daddy gonna get the ants up.
I'll get the ant up.
Yes.
Then skip it up.
Mm-hmm. KEMAR, ma coming on. How are your belly?
Why would you skip it up?
We're gonna get the ants up. Yeah. Yeah, we're taking the ants up. So guys, today is my Friday, and can you tell I am so happy because today I'm a Friday. Yeah, I'm so happy. Guys, I'm full of so much energy. Jesus, peace. But yeah, today I'm a Friday, so you know. I never want to come out of bed. What time now, KEMAR? 2 o'clock? 3 o'clock?
4 o'clock.
About 4 o'clock. What for me, so? At 4 o'clock? But guys, I wake up about 2 or yeah, about 2:30 or 2. Somewhere there about. But yeah, today I'm a Friday. Nothing wrong if a girl take a little slow morning. But I'm glad some of the home. Cause as you can see, it's snowing. And we don't want driving at this at all. I'm gonna get for stay. Me get for stay home with my little family. Yup. So we all for me suffer, eh? Well for me suffer. Yeah, me get for stay home with my little family, eh? Now come on. Me now come on. Eh? Little family hungry. You not doing a breakfast? Oh yeah, but a tree, so guys, them wake up long time before. Wait, from morning. What you want?
Breakfast here about Kanye.
You plan though? Yes, baby.
I want fun.
You do what? Yeah, you playing bowling?
Mommy.
Mm.
I want 4.
Okay, 4.
Okay.
Yay!
Mommy.
Yes.
I can roll 8.
Yes, you can roll it. Do it, Papa. You can do it. Mm?
Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I'm rolling in 98.
You know, see people are driving it.
When you get that again.
Oh.
Fix that again.
Yeah, go again. Fix it and go again.
Fix and go again.
Yeah, fix and go again. Hmm?
Like what here?
What on there? Oh, it dark.
That's what I like.
Woo.
Is that
Yeah. I'm gonna stop. Uh-oh.
Yeah, man, it a full up back like what here again?
No, man, yeah, wait. Some way for go, man.
No, man, no.
Oh, baby, don't go out there. It's so cold.
Cold bad.
I know you want to see, but you can't go out there. You have to put some clothes on. You want to see?
Terry, look. It's snowing. It's snowing. Gotcha.
It's getting crazy
Gotcha.
for real because I'm literally going
Yeah, what?
outside now.
Terry, what's that?
So he's actually outside now. If you could do
What's that?
you can call me on WhatsApp because I have a
You kind of get used to it earlier after you come out, you're stiff.
yeah. So guys, we are outside and Carrie enjoying it a little bit more than the first time. Maybe because the day before or like 2 days before that he did actually have fever, but he might enjoy it even more. Look at him. Look at him. Ooh. Hey, sweet face. You like it? Yes, it's a snow. You're so cute. Yes. Yes. Baby enjoying it? You want to roll a ball and throw it at daddy? Take it up. Woo, throw it up in the air like that. Woo! Yeah, you want to throw with daddy? Come on, say you want to throw it. Take up someone, throw it. You want to throw it, mommy? Okay. Hold this, let me throw it with him. I'm going to throw with you, okay, Baba? Yes, I'm going to throw with you. You throw with him? Him say you want me to throw with him. Lift up the snow. I snow, I want you to lift up. Woo! Throw it on daddy.
The snow you feel more fluffier.
The fluffier, yeah.
Next one is icy.
Papa, throw it on daddy. You want me to help you?
This look like it overexposed. So. Yeah, I record all along. And it overexposed. Come, ready. Ready, cause we have to go, so.
You ready? You want to throw? Come. Show it at daddy.
This more. So, so they are head over my brother's house.
Driving in snow for the first time.
Nice snow. I just want to experience it. As easy as I'm going to go up on the road. So I go on. I know that the road is not prep, you know?
You not prep?
It's not prep at all, so you know what can happen.
Yeah, you can skid away.
Yep.
I know.
Machine.
Wow.
So somebody slide off over there, so.
I like.
Yes, he can.
Are them stop?
Slide and see man bump by my shop.
So take your time. And them say when you skid you can't.
You can't do nothing if you have
Mash your
skid.
brakes.
Can't just somebody here. That's what they know. Skid too.
As them say, George, you're not prepared for
Yeah, what are you ever go down here and can't come back up?
what do you mean?
Because I remember say a hill when you come up, you know. You forgot say all is a hill?
Yeah, go good.
You come back up?
As long as we drive slow.
I no matter how slow. Ice. Yeah, so there I head over so we make you know if not else go on the road as well. One whole heap of things are going up on the road here. You'll see a fire truck down there so with chain. I can pull out somebody. Yeah.
When you look can something you see Eve.
Anytime I come over here I'll get food, you know.
You know what we do?
I know. The snow they have beard dust. The snow don't have no body. Remember to subscribe, that's it.
No, sir. You cannot buy that. Yo. tea for mommy. Tea. Ooh, the money. Yay. Are you cold?
Yeah, peeps. So you see all of this one I look on? Black ice. You see it shine? Everything is ice right here going down the hill. Everything frozen. What's it? Gary! Alright guys, so we're gonna make our way go back home now. On the icy road. See there? Make our way go back home. 16. You can imagine all tomorrow morning when everything when no more car and drive on this after all and everything does well. Icy now, you know. Tomorrow, yeah, that means there's a road shine, man. Alone icy, I look for that. Beer black ice. The only part of me I worry about a few little parts of the hill. You see a little descent? You hear me there? Yes, people. The ghost town out here. At the road. At the strictly slick. I swear, first me ever see out there so empty. Like, no car. Apart from the one there, and the one behind me. There's a whole ghost town there, there so. That's yeah, I make a way home. No obstruction or nothing on the road so far from the sleep. Yeah, catching a back and reach down on the hill there. Alright, so you look at hill here we are talking about, look at the decline. But I feel like I am treat a little bit the road or something because it don't look so shine. You know, I mean, I can actually put your foot on the brake and you know, feel it. If you jam your foot in the brake, you feel the slide. You just make a car roll and push your way back up the hill. Yep. So guys, we reach home safe. What Kyrie?
What do you want?
What's this? Reach home safe. Kyrie there so I eat some cereal.
And drink Glasgow tea.
Yeah,
I
it's
know
the
that
right
combination that.
Alaska in the plate.
It's what?
Alaska in the plate.
I know.
And cereal and my drink. Alaska out of it. Alright, so there right there, so yeah, we make it home safe. I think I'm know the road icy. Road slippery. You see me? So we take the time and make it home and see it. Now we have end of the video and then we have to see now. In the next vlog, because we can't say tomorrow because it's tomorrow already.
It's 12.
12 o'clock. So this vlog I drop later on for those who see it. See, I show you outside. Look. So yeah, now look pan right now, it's just pure ice. Okay. But tomorrow I'm gonna wake up. Well, later on, I'm gonna wake up and show you what I'm going around there, isn't it? We're in top right now. Mr.
Peace.
Yeah, I'm here to get straight to editing. To drop this later on. Alright.
Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes.